In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Every time we think that somebody has not treated you well, we develop a kind of cold feelings for them. And these cold feelings, even if we try to hide, these cannot be hidden. Even if we are trying to hide it, as a matter of fact, it's not easy to hide those feelings. So, for that reason, I think that instead of keeping something in mind and acting silently, it is far better to speak to those peoples, to speak to that particular person, as and when a suitable chance does appear, and speaking to them in a polite manner, in a polite and sensible manner. And maybe either it was a pure misunderstanding of ours, and he, she did not do that, or even if they did it, they might have done it intentionally, they might not have done it intentionally, advertently or inadvertently. But at least if they are slightly sensible human being, most probably they will seek excuse, or they will tell their compulsion why did they do that, etc. So I am of the view that instead of keeping something in the mind and becoming cold enough toward those people, it is obviously, it might not be good for those people, but it is definitely not good for we ourselves. Why? Because we need the pleasant relationship. If at all we are knowing someone else, if at all we had been interacting with someone else, it is far better to keep interacting with those people in a positive manner. It is far better to somehow keep going a positive relationship. It is far better not to abruptly end a relationship, making it more and more positive, making it more and more practical. It is something nice indeed. And even bringing certain reforms in the relationships, it is quite permitted. It is quite okay, because the more you know about a person, the more obviously you become confident the kind of person he she is, the kind of person they are, and how to interact with those people, how to make this relationship as a positive one, as a constructive one, as a based on the mutual benefit, as a confidence enhancing relationship. So I am of the view that if at all we automatically become cooled enough, we automatically become negative, it is really bad for us. We should avoid it. We should avoid doing that. We should avoid doing that. And to be able to continue the relationships, more or less, obviously, every relationship cannot be given that much of the time. But every relationship should be kept positive enough, constructive enough, useful, useful mutually, bilaterally. Try to continue your relationships. It will make you a winner. It will make you a rich human being. You want to become a rich human being, you want to become a comfortable human being, you want to become a winner, you want to become a successful person, you want to become a happy human being, you want to become a person of good emotional intelligence, you want to become an intelligent human being, you want to become a resourceful human being. All of that is possible, all of that is doable, all of that can be carried out only by one thing: stay positive towards the people. Stay as positive toward the people as possible. As simple as this one. No complication. Even if somebody failed to behave you, even if somebody has failed to behave you, even at certain occasions somebody could not deal you properly, could not give you respect. Do not become cool towards them. Become happy towards them. Become nice and right towards them. As simple as this. So, this is actually the symbol of the winners. This is actually what all the winners do, what all the rich people do. Rich does not necessarily mean that you are rich by because of your bank account. Does not necessarily mean that you are rich because of your properties, your assets. Does not because you are earning something very good financially, materially. Rich richness comprises several other things as well. Some of the people are so poor. Some of the people are so poor that they have nothing other than the money. Don't become a person like them. Rather, person try to be a person who is rich in many aspects of their lives. Try to be rich, who is rich in several ways, in several aspects of their life. Thank you, Jazakallah.